Looking for the best 3D printers of 2025? From precision printing to advanced features like Wi-Fi connectivity and multi-material support, we've rounded up the top models perfect for professionals, hobbyists, and creators alike. Stay tuned to discover the perfect 3D printer to bring your ideas to life. If you want to know about price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. QIDI PLUS4 3D Printer. Discover precision and speed with the QIDI PLUS4 3D Printer. The QIDI PLUS4 3D Printer is a game-changer in the world of 3D printing and a top contender for the best 3D printers of 2025. Designed for professionals and enthusiasts alike, this printer boasts an impressive 600 mm per second high-speed printing capability, delivering complex prints faster than ever without compromising quality. Equipped with a 370 degrees Celsius direct extruder with an integrated nozzle, it handles advanced filaments like PPS-CF with ease, making it perfect for creating durable, high-performance parts. The fully enclosed chamber can heat up to 65 degrees Celsius, ensuring consistent temperature control for flawless prints, even with demanding materials. Say goodbye to manual calibration with the fully automatic leveling system, which guarantees perfect first layers every time. With a large build volume of 12 inches by 12 inches by 11 inches, the QIDI PLUS4 accommodates larger projects, giving creators the freedom to push their designs to new heights. Whether you're crafting prototypes, functional parts, or intricate designs, the QIDI PLUS4 delivers industry-leading precision and versatility. Its robust build, user-friendly interface, and cutting-edge features make it a standout choice for anyone serious about 3D printing. Unlock your creativity and take your projects to the next level with the QIDI PLUS4, where speed, precision, and innovation meet. Number 2. QIDI Technology IAst 3D Printer. Unleash professional-grade 3D printing with the QIDI Technology IAst. The QIDI Technology IAst 3D printer is redefining precision and efficiency, making it one of the best 3D printers of 2025. Designed with an industrial-grade structure, this powerhouse delivers unparalleled stability and reliability, ensuring flawless prints every time. Its advanced dual extruder system allows for fast, multi-material printing, supporting complex designs and intricate details with ease. With an impressive super-large printing size of 330x250x320 mm, the IAst gives creators the flexibility to tackle bigger projects without compromising on accuracy. Whether you're crafting prototypes, functional parts, or detailed models, this printer's performance stands out. Its high-speed printing capability drastically reduces production time, making it perfect for professionals and enthusiasts alike. The fully enclosed design maintains consistent temperature control, optimizing performance for advanced materials like ABS, nylon, and more. Paired with its user-friendly interface and cutting-edge features, the IAst is built to handle demanding projects effortlessly. Artists palette-wise settle for less when you can achieve industrial-grade results with the QIDI Technology IAst. From rapid production to impeccable precision, it's the ultimate tool for creators looking to push boundaries in 3D printing. Clapperboard, take your printing game to the next level today. Experience innovation with the IAst. Number 3. FlashForge Adventure 5M. FlashForge Adventure 5M, speed, precision, and innovation. The FlashForge Adventure 5M is a standout among the best 3D printers of 2025, featuring fully automatic leveling and a robust Core XY all-metal structure for stable, high-quality prints. With a 280 degrees Celsius direct extruder and an easy-to-clean 3-second detachable nozzle, it handles various materials effortlessly. This printer's 600 mm per second high-speed printing and 220 by 220 by 220 mm build size make it perfect for fast, reliable production. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, the Adventure 5M combines speed, precision, and user-friendly features to bring your ideas to life. Clapperboard, upgrade your 3D printing game today with the FlashForge Adventure 5M. Number 4. Creality K1C 3D Printer. Revolutionize your 3D printing with the Creality K1C 3D printer. The Creality K1C 3D printer is the 2024 upgraded version, setting a new benchmark among the best 3D printers of 2025. With a blazing 600 mm/s high-speed printing capability, it delivers precise, efficient results, perfect for both professionals and hobbyists. Equipped with a robust direct extruder and a maximum 300°C printing temperature, this printer handles advanced materials like carbon fiber filaments with ease. The K1C features advanced auto leveling, ensuring a smooth and hassle-free setup for every print. Its innovative clog-free extruder design ensures uninterrupted operation, minimizing downtime and boosting productivity. The built-in AI camera enhances monitoring and safety, providing real-time feedback and quality control during your prints. With a sleek, sturdy design, the K1C is perfect for a wide range of projects, from detailed models to industrial prototypes. Whether you're working with standard or specialty filaments, its exceptional versatility and precision will take your creations to the next level. Why choose Creality K1C? For speed, reliability, and cutting-edge features, the K1C is a top choice for any 3D printing enthusiast. Clapperboard, discover limitless possibilities with the Creality K1C, where innovation meets excellence in 3D printing. Number 5. Upgraded Tina2S 3D printer, perfect for beginners and beyond. The upgraded Tina2S 3D printer by HEPHI3D is a compact, user-friendly option that stands out among the best 3D printers of 2025. Designed for beginners, this printer comes fully assembled and features auto bed leveling for hassle-free setup, ensuring every print starts perfectly. With Wi-Fi cloud printing, you can control and monitor your projects remotely, making it ideal for home or classroom use. The silent printing function ensures minimal noise, allowing it to blend seamlessly into any environment. Its fully open-source design encourages creativity and customization, perfect for DIY enthusiasts looking to explore and innovate. Despite its mini size, the Tina2S delivers precise and reliable results, making it suitable for various projects. Whether you're a student, teacher, or hobbyist, this 3D printer offers exceptional ease of use and versatility. Artist palette. Why choose the Tina2S? It's affordable, easy to use, and packed with features that make it a top choice for beginners and those seeking a reliable, portable solution. Start your 3D printing journey today with the upgraded Tina2S, where simplicity meets innovation. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information about these products, do check out my description. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more easier.